Oh, I got wet. Zoom, 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 zoom. Oh man, this hurts to look at. It really does. Alright, well here's the thing. Akira, you're disrupting. You're disrupting. It was inedible. Even when I was doing it, I was like, this is gonna happen. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, though, I'm gonna put a clip from like a week and a half ago where... Actually, you can just watch. This actually freaking sucks, bro. Oh my gosh, I just... No. That's like the last time you're ever gonna see that clip because I'm done having to rewatch that. Let me show you guys the damage real quick. Here we go. Right there, it's all... Yup. Yes, sir. So actually, before everything, I should probably give you guys a quick explanation. Front lip is a little bit too heavy. Front bumper was already sagging a bit because it doesn't have an undershot. So with that front lip, it's sagging even more. Scooped up a bunch of rocks, and then the bumper went, and I shed a tear. Dude, like my front bumper like that. Well, guess what we're gonna do today? We're gonna fix it for extra cheap, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it. Honestly, what made this not that bad, which may sound like a little bit. A lot of you were telling me that you had the same problem and it broke in the same area. So I was like, I'm not alone.
Today we're gonna fix that for extra cheap. Let's go.
Remember when I first got this light, dude, it was the greatest thing that's ever happened to me. Now it doesn't even work. But I'm just gonna be straight up honest with you guys. No BSing. Like, listen up. If you're watching this video right now and you're not yet subscribed, dude, like, stop being weird, bro. Just hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So just subscribe. That was pretty lame, but moral of the story, subscribe. Harbor Freight closed at 7, it is 6. So we got 20 minutes to get there, 20 minutes to look around, 20 minutes to come back. We went to Hyundai, got a quote for the key, $500. $500 for a key! Oh, did I also mention that they were gonna charge us $5 grand, or was it $3 grand? Either way, for a catalytic converter. Harbor Freight! There's a lot of mixed reviews on Harbor Freight, but it's cheap and pretty decent. Alright, got what we needed and a couple more stuff. I don't need them right now, but someday I will, so I got them. If that makes sense. This is the car I expect to see at Harbor Freight, sadly. If he likes it, then go for it. Oh, that's awesome. Yo, you guys want to see what my tripod looks like? This is embarrassing. I just dropped everything. What are they saying? I left my tripod in somebody's car and, well, here I am. Dude, we just gotta appreciate this Florida weather. It has been beautiful the past few days before it rains. Actually, it already rained and it's still beautiful, so let's go. If you take it to a body shop, someone commented it's gonna be like $350. I'm not gonna do that. Like, so we're gonna spend $18 and probably mess it up, probably not. Oh, if I mess it up, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna shed it to you. Chicago Electric Welding 80-watt iron plastic welder kit. Great for repair problems like TPO, TEEO, and PP materials using car bumpers. This right here is the welder. You basically plug this in and this heats up right here, and that's when you start crunching in the plastic. You have a brush that's pretty rough, so we're gonna go ahead and clean up that area with this. For reinforcement, which I don't think I'm gonna use. And then these are little plastic strips, which basically you put this on the bumper, you grab this, and you're gonna be melting it onto the bumper and welding everything together. I also bought these clamps in case we needed it to like maybe hold the bumper together. Actually, I'm glad I bought this. I don't want to weld it from the outside, or is this gonna be like a thick black line? I'm thinking of just putting tape right here to hold it in place, or using the clamp and then welding it from the inside here. I think that should be fine, because I mean, look, if we weld it from the inside, look, there's gonna be a little black line, but it's gonna hold it in place and it's gonna be good. Show you guys what we're gonna do. Let's take the bumper off. 10 mil, where are you? You're always lost, I need to find you. 10 mil, if you're watching this, let's come back. I miss you, I need you. I'll never forget about you. Oh, thank you for coming back. There we go. But alright, with bumper off and everything that's connected, I will see you guys tomorrow. This definition between life and death. That line over there, the sun, that's, yeah, we're gonna stay here. So I'm not sure what this is for. Instruction. Akira just got done with her daily nap. She came by to see us. Oh my goodness. You wanna say what's up to the vlog? What are you doing? What are you doing? Get towards me. You're getting all dirty. What are you doing? Yeah, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous. We got this, we got this. Let's go. Woo. Here we go. Power. See, that works perfect right there. I'm gonna have to start over here. And from the front, there's like a little bit of a gap. Not really. So I might do like another layer, but that looks really good to me actually. Let's go. 100%, it was much more intimidating than difficult. So I don't know if you guys can notice it, but I actually just went ahead and did half of one at the very top. Just like reinforce a little better. It's pretty much dried, to be honest. And we're gonna do the middle side, which is probably the worst part of it all. But as you can see right here, it's starting to pull it together, and then that side isn't. So we gotta go ahead, move the clamp over here, and just tighten everything down. Yo, that is hard on there, bro. This is actually working. That's so awesome. Oh crap. This is the side we haven't done, and this is the side we have done. What a big difference. There's a little bit of plastic coming through right there, but we're pretty much done with this side. I think I'm gonna do another layer real quick on the sides just to make it a little bit wider so it has more support. So I'm using the curved side to face the bumper and the flat part on the top. Also, try not to breathe in all these chemicals. Probably wear a mask. I'm not wearing it, but I'm like trying to hold my breath as I'm doing this. It's basically melted plastic. And I'm also doing it in the open, so it's not as bad. But I can still smell it a little bit. Yo, I just finished and my thumb was twitching for like kind of like that, for like 2 minutes straight. But alright, we just finished. Let me show you guys. So the next thing we gotta do, I'm not gonna show it in the vlog, but I bought a bunch of wiring stuff because if you guys didn't see the video where I installed custom DRLs, my wiring job was good, but I want to make it better. So I bought a bunch of like these things, like butt connectors. Go ahead, put all that, just make it more durable and secure, and then I'll put the bumper back on. Oh, I just remembered something. Hear me out, hear me out. Check this out, check this out. Rolls-Royce Starlights for the 370Z. If you do want to see that, let me know. If you don't, let me know. But if you also do want to see them, leave a big thumbs up. Let's say 1,500 likes, and I'll do that. Oh man, that thing's hard. Alright, now we're gonna heat it up and wrap it around with tape. And we gotta do that 2 more times on this side, 2 more times on that side, but I'll catch you guys when we finish. Alright, let's get it. Okay, so here's the thing. First things first, the line on this side you can't even see it. There's like no separation. Here's just a little bit of separation, but honestly minimal. Bumper now is like super like now it still sags, but this on the top is actually attached to the car, so let's go. It's also definitely not sagging as much as it was when this was actually broken. Yeah, I don't know who's dying over there, but like. So for what I wanted to do, I feel like this is the best option. I didn't really want to reinforce it on this side just to not make it look ugly, so I feel like the best way to do that was just weld it from the inside. And yeah, obviously I will keep you guys updated on everything, and if it breaks, if it doesn't, blah blah blah. But to be honest, it was really easy, super cheap, and I highly recommend it. Unless you're gonna do like a full-on bumper repair and you're gonna repaint it, then obviously you gotta do something on this side, maybe like a Bondo or something like that, or maybe even weld it and then just sand down the plastic. Quick note, if your hood doesn't latch properly, make sure you guys twist the latch right here, and then now it's fixed. So shout out to you guys, you actually let me know how to do that. Difficulty wise, definitely like a 2 out of 10, super simple. It was honestly a really fun DIY. Do not forget to check out my second channel, Danny Z Latino. And with that said, thank you all so much for watching. If this video helped you out at all, leave a big thumbs up, subscribe. We're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and that's not possible if you guys don't subscribe. And yeah, hasta luego.
I just wanted to tell you, there's another guy with a Mustang that comes.
Oh yeah, he lives down there.
He's down the street.
Yeah.
And then there used to be someone that lived